Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priyanka Sutaria. I'm a dermatocosmetologist practicing 16 years in Rajkot. Today we'll be talking about using a sunscreen in monsoon. Yes, monsoon is one of our favorite seasons. But yeah, you heard it right. You have to use a sunscreen even if it is raining because the clouds and the rain, they just filter the UVA rays. They don't filter the UVB and the infrared rays. So actually what happens, the UVB rays gets more concentrated and they damage your skin more, and all type of the bad diseases, the cancers, the photo aging, the pigmentation, so they tend to be enhanced in those kind of a season. Secondly, because we are exposed to a lot of humidity and all that, the skin texture also deteriorates because of the humid climate. So sunscreen in any case helps you from the UV damage also, as well as a protective mechanism. So you can use sunscreen which are consisting of a water based formula, like which is a sweat resistant sunscreen. So you can go for sports sunscreen. You can have something which has titanium dioxide. You can go for the sheer formulas. You can have sunscreens which has antioxidants and the skin repair and the lightening agents also. So you don't need to apply a lot of products because it becomes messy and sticky. So you can just opt for a sunscreen in the morning, and you can cover it with a night cream at night. So, and all age groups, even if you are a corporate person, you are indoors the whole day, you will say I'm not going out, still the infrared rays, the rays from the computers, the rays from the halogen lights, you have to use a sunscreen. So like I'm repeating and again, बारिश का मौसम है, इवन इफ इट इज विंटर्स या समर्स हैं, आपको सनस्क्रीन ऑल राउंड द सीजन यूज करना होता है इन ऑल एज ग्रुप्स. A kid will use a physical sunscreen. A person who is in the corporate type of job, they'll use an infrared kind of a sunscreen. Those who are in the sports activity, they'll use a physical sunscreen which is sweat proof. Housewives can go for something like a moisturizing kind of a tinted kind of a sunscreen which gives them a nice sheen and sheer. So in a monsoon, you have to take a special care of using sunscreen. And in skincare, you can go for an extra added advantage of toner, which keeps your pores and the clogging of the pores due to the humidity and all that. So you can use a toner with a water-based moisturizer after that at night. So that will take care of your skin. Enjoy your monsoon. Thank you.